fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 6 of our fit body challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be working on those thighs and we are going to be working on strengthening and toning. We are going to just do squats, 100 squats with 5 different variations. So just make sure you are energized, you are hydrated for this workout. We are going to be beginning with the basic squat. So just continue giving me some more matches, warming up, and let's get into that basic squat. So you want to pull your abs towards the spine and we shall be doing 20 of these. So squat down to as low as you can get, making sure that your knees don't go past your toes. Going, you're doing amazing. Halfway there, keep breathing, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Just give me 2 more and 1 more. Well done. Get back up, getting straight away into the toe squats. So you want to get into position and we are going to squat to as low as we can, touching the ground. We are doing 20 of these as well, guys. And up, get down, up towards the spine, and keep breathing. Halfway there, you're doing amazing. Yeah, I know it's burning on those thighs, guys, but we gotta do this. Actually, we are doing this. Don't give up. Don't give in. You can even do more than this, actually, if you want it more challenging. So don't be surprised if I get to do more than I told you. So just give me 2 more and 1 more. And well done. Get back up, getting into a basic squat, and we shall be bringing legs together and back. So you are going to squat, yeah, and then we shall begin bringing legs together and back. Yeah, try to bring your legs together and back. We are doing 20 of these. This is already burning. Feel free to take a break anytime you feel it's too much for you guys, because I feel the fire over here. Ooh, and we are halfway there. I feel the burn, guys. Oh, just give me 2 more. And 1 more. Well done, guys. Get up. Whew, that was burning. We truly need to stretch out a bit before we get into jump squats. Whee, how are your legs, guys? Mine are on fire. So just give me 1 more. And heading into the jump squat, we are doing 20 of those as well. So you want to squat and jump, squat, jumping to as high as you can get. Guys, keep pushing through. Just 2 more, guys, and 1 more. Well done. Relax it up, guys. Catch your breath. Just quick, grab some water if you want to. And we are going to be getting into the last one. We are going to be doing squat back. pulses, 20 of those as well. It's gonna be burning, guys, so get ready. And you want to get into position, abs towards the spine, and you want to squat down to as low as you can get and begin pulsing. Two more, one more, and get back up. Well done, guys. And you want to stretch it out. You have done an amazing job, guys. So we want to stretch it out, stretching out those quadricep muscles, the hamstrings. Just keep holding it right there. I want to stretch out for at least 20 seconds. Pull those abs towards the spine and keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can even try to reach for your foot if you want, and get into the other leg, stretching it out, feeling good about yourself. You've done an amazing job. Feeling that gentle stretch in the leg muscles. You've really done an amazing job, guys. So if you don't know the benefits of squats, actually there are quite a number. Just check them out up in the video cards above. Keep holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up again. You want to bring your legs to as wide as you can get them, and you want to begin moving side to side, stretching those inner thighs, feeling good about yourself. Just give me 30 seconds of this, guys. Yeah, we have done it, guys. Well done. How are you feeling? I hope you are feeling great. So keep going, and you want to keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Bring yourself back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. A high five if you made it this far. When you work out and when you keep fit, your muscles absorb more oxygen than people who don't work out, and that's why working out makes you healthier than someone who doesn't. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'm really sweating. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Invite them over to come and join us in this fit body challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Woo.